Hello children, as you all know, we had completed lesson 4 keyboard and special keys in last week. Right? I hope you all have completed in your computer copy. Today we are going to solve sample paper 1. We are going to solve sample paper 1. It is given on page number 42. Okay. Given on page number 42. All of you open page number 42. This page number 30 and 39 I taught you. Have you done? Good. So today you have to open page number 42, sample paper 1. A, fill in the blanks. It is based on chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 that we had learned already. Okay. These questions are based on chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4 which we had learned already. We had finished lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right. So you have to tell the answer. Okay. These all questions already you have studied. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the result given by a computer. So, which is the result given by a computer? Input, process or output? Good. Output. Output is the result given by the computer. Here hints are given. You have to take the hints. After that you have to write the answer. Okay. So, output is the result given by a computer. The most common output devices are monitor and printer. Monitor and printer. We had learned input device, keyboard, mouse and microphone. Output device, monitor and printer. These both are output device. Okay. And processing unit, CPU. Okay. Third, a dash is used to record our voice into a computer. So, which device is used to record our voice into a computer? Good. Microphone. Microphone is used to record our voice into a computer. Microphone. M-I-C-R-O. Micro. P-H-O-N-E. Phone. Microphone. A computer with the internet acts like an ocean of information. Ocean of information. Information. Okay. I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N. Information. I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N. Information. The standard keyboard has how many keys? 104 keys. Already I taught you. So, output is the result given by a computer, and monitor and printer, these both are output device. So, most common output devices are monitor and printer. Microphone is used to record our voice into a computer. And fourth one, a computer with the internet acts like an ocean of information. And a standard keyboard has 104 keys. Next, true false. B, true false we have to write. All of you fill in your book. True or false. These sample paper, these both pages 42 and 43 you have to fill in your book. You don't have to write in your computer copy. Okay. After the exam you can write. Okay. So these both pages you have to fill in book. Okay. And learn it also. These all questions are important for your exam. Okay. True, false. A computer can do many jobs at the same time. Yes, computer can do many jobs at the same time. Can we do more than one job at the same time? No, we can't do. Man can't do, but computer can do more than one job at the same time. Computer is not a costly device. Computer is a costly device. False. Output devices are used to display the final output. Yes, it is true. Fourth, a keyboard has 2 enter keys. Yes, a keyboard has 2 enter keys. It is true. C, rearrange the jumbled words to form the parts of a computer. So we have to rearrange the jumbled letters, jumbled words to form the parts of a computer. Here it is given ONTMIOR. What we can make? We can make monitor. 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 So we have to rearrange the letter. It is in disorder. We have to arrange it. We have to rearrange it. RTEPRNI. What we can make? Which word we can make? Printer. Printer. Okay. Third, BADRKOYE. What we can make? Which word? Keyboard. 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 Okay. Understood? Next, match the shortcut keys with their function. So here A part is given and other side B. B column. Okay. A column and B column. In A column, here it is given Control plus Home. After that, Alt plus F4. Control plus Alt plus Del. And last one, Control plus Ent. Okay, it is given like this. And here in another side, I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the sentence in your book. Okay, Control plus Home. For which function we use Control plus Home? To move the cursor to the top of a document. So, third one. Okay, to move the cursor to the top of the documents. So, Control plus Home key are used to move the cursor to the top of a document. Alt plus F4 to close the program. For closing the program, which key we use? We use Alt plus F4 to close the program. Control plus Alt plus Del to shut down a computer. So, fourth one. Okay. To shut down a computer, Control plus Alt plus Del keys are used. Control plus End key are used to move the cursor to the end of a document. Clear? Match it in your book like this. Okay. Next, choose the right answer. Which part of a computer works like the human brain? So, I taught you CPU is the brain of a computer and CPU parts works like brain, human brain. Okay. So, which option is correct? Here, three options are given: CPU, keyboard and mouse. Which option is correct? E. E, choose the right answer. First part, which part of a computer works like the human brain? A option is correct. CPU. All of it tick in your book. Second, which part of a computer is used to input the data? So, keyboard and mouse both are used to input the data. Both are used to input the data. So, here both A and B, keyboard and mouse both are used to input the data. Here C option is correct. Okay, tick in your book. The printed copy on a paper is called the hard copy. I taught you, right? Hard copy. Fourth, which among the following is the feature of a computer? So, slow, good memory or emotional? Which among the following is the feature of a computer? Good memory. B option is correct. Good memory. Computer works slow? No, computer works fast. So, this option is wrong and it does not have feeling. So, emotional also, it is also wrong. Good memory is a correct option. Clear? F, answer in one word. Okay. Which device do we use to listen to music without disturbing others? So, which device? Headphones. First answer, headphones. Understood? I taught you headphones are used to listen to music without disturbing others, and it is worn over the ears. Okay? Clear? Do you remember it? Good. Second, which key combination is used to move the cursor to the top of a document? Now we had learned in match the following. Which keys? Control plus home keys are used to move the cursor to the top of a document. Control plus home. Okay? Which key brings the cursor to the next line? So which key brings the cursor to the next line? Enter key. Which key? Enter key brings the cursor to the next line. Clear? Fourth, name the part of a computer which is used to draw pictures and play games. So mouse is used to draw pictures and play games. Okay? Write in your book in answer in one word. In F part you have to write these 4 answers. Okay? Next, answer the following. G, answer the following. Have you written? Okay. Answer the following. G. First question is, which part of a computer allows you to listen to music stored on a computer? So, speaker. Speakers allow you to listen to music stored on a computer. Okay, you have to write like this in your book because it is answer the following. Here it is not given answer in one word. You don't have to write in one word. You have to write the full sentence. Okay, whole sentence you have to write in your book because it is answer the following questions. So you have to write like this. Speakers allow you to listen to music stored on a computer. Next, second question. Name any 3 input devices. So 3 input devices are, I taught you, keyboard, mouse and microphone. So you write keyboard, mouse and microphone are 3 input devices. Clear? Keyboard, mouse and microphone are 3 input devices. Third, write the names of any 2 places where computers are used. So computers are used almost everywhere. Computers are used, but we have to write any 2 places. So we can write computers are used in bank and school. Okay? Banks you can write, schools. Okay? Computers are used in banks and schools. In office also. Almost everywhere computers are used, but you can write any 2 places name. So I have written here computers are used in banks and schools. Okay? You can write office, hospital, any place you can write, which will be easy for you. Write any one difference between a computer and a man. So any difference, any one difference we have to write. So we can write computer does not have feeling, whereas a man has feeling. Okay? computer does not have feeling, whereas a man has feeling. If we pinch the computer, then it may feel? No, it does not feel. Okay, it does not feel because it is non-living thing. It is man-made thing. If someone will pinch us, then we feel. Someone is pinching me. We feel like this. Someone is pinching me. Right? So it may hurt also. But computer does not have feeling. But a man have feeling. Okay? Man have feeling. If someone is showing angry on us, then we feel he is showing angry. Right? We feel like this. But computer, if we take the mouse and we throw, so it will feel? No, it does not feel. So computer does not have feeling because it is non-living thing. But we all are living things. We all are living things. We have feelings, but computer does not have feeling. Clear? You can write A here. A computer does not have feeling, whereas a man has feeling. Okay? Understood? Okay. So today you have to write in your book, in computer book, sample paper 1, page number 42 and 43. You have to complete page number 42 and 43, and you have to learn also. So, do you know computer syllabus? Many times I told you, lesson 1, 2, 3, 4 and sample paper 1. Okay, sample paper 1. Both pages you have to prepare for half yearly exam, and you have to prepare lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Okay. Thank you.